Salesforce certifications for non-technical roles. In today's data-driven world, Salesforce is a top CRM platform. It has changed how businesses manage customer interactions, sales, and marketing. Many associate Salesforce with technical roles, like developers, understanding the importance of Salesforce certifications. Industry demand. Organizations rely on Salesforce more than ever. So, there is a high demand for certified professionals. Sales, marketing, and customer service can enjoy knowing the platform's capabilities. Skill development. Certifications help non-tech pros. They teach skills like data analysis, customer management, and process optimization. These are vital for navigating the complex CRM landscape. Overview of relevant Salesforce certifications for non-technical roles. Salesforce Certified Administrator. This cert is for pros who manage Salesforce's configuration. It includes user management, security, and reporting. It covers fundamental concepts such as custom objects, fields, and dashboards. Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Consultant. This cert is for users of Marketing Cloud. It covers email marketing, customer journeys, and campaign management. It equips professionals to boost customer engagement. Benefits of obtaining Salesforce certifications for non-technical professionals. Networking. Joining the Salesforce certified community lets professionals connect with other certified individuals. They can gain insights from experts and share best practices. Building these connections can open doors to collaborative ventures and foster professional advancement. Real-world applications of Salesforce certifications in non-technical roles. Sales and lead management. Certified Sales Cloud consultants can improve lead management. They can streamline sales processes and enhance customer relationships. This will boost sales and revenue. In conclusion, Salesforce certifications for non-technical roles are valuable assets in today's competitive job market. By knowing the platform's features and getting certified, professionals can advance their careers. They can learn new skills and help their organizations succeed.